everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a triple Dior unboxing for you guys and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share everything with you. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aika. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you love this video and will consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red button down below. Also turn on the bell to be notified every time I post something new. So guys, let's begin. Let's start probably with the biggest bag. So no, I'll leave it here because it doesn't even fit here on my screen. The bag is so big and heavy, but I am so excited. So all of these items were in my wish list. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link it up here, so make sure to check it out. I got some paper. As always, Dior packaging is just so nice. And here is the first bag, and you probably know what that is because of its shape and that it doesn't come with a box. I don't think they make such big boxes. Maybe they do, but they're quite deep as well, so it's just there was no point of me getting a box for this bag, so it came in a dust bag. Ta-da! So there it is. It is my new Dior book tote bag. It is so beautiful. It's in the new small size. I prefer this size a lot more than the larger one. The other one I feel like is a little bit too big for my lifestyle. I don't need such a huge tote bag, and when this one was released I knew it was meant to be and I had to get it, but it was so difficult to find. I mean, it is so crazy. People just jump on them, get them super fast. I saw this one at Heathrow Airport for the first time when I was traveling back to Geneva from London, but I don't know. I had my doubts still and I wasn't sure if I wanted it. And when I missed out on that opportunity to buy it at Heathrow with 17% off, you know what? It was something. I obviously regretted it so much. Also, I think they had all their prices in there, so it was even cheaper than buying in Europe. But lesson learned: if you love something and you have a great opportunity to buy it with like a discount, just go for it. Otherwise you'll miss out big time, just like I did. It was so difficult to find this bag after that, but I managed to get it in Courchevel, and I think that vlog is already up on my channel, so make sure to check it out as well. If it's up there, I'll just link it in here and also in the description box below. But you'll see what I've been through hunting this bag down. But I'm so happy that I finally have it. It is so beautiful. I didn't put my name at the back because I just find it impractical. So first of all, I don't really want people to know my name. You know, that's number one. And second of all, I obviously do love it now, but who knows? Who knows? And in the future, I feel like it's gonna be impossible to sell it with the name Aika on it because it is such a popular name, right? So it doesn't come with any pockets inside, so it's just like a plain canvas. There is absolutely nothing inside. I'm thinking of getting an organizer for this bag because you need one, obviously. I want to get the one that has a zipper on top. I think I'll just order one from Samorga. I've never ordered a single organizer from them, but for this specific bag, I think it's a smart decision to do so. First of all, I'll feel secure having a zipper on top, and second of all, just look at this. There is nothing, not a single pocket, and I mean, yeah, you know what I mean. Oh my god, what am I saying? Anyway, this is the first item that I bought from Dior. Now, let's move on to something else. Let's open this bag in here. This is something I bought from Geneva store. Again, some paper, and here is the box. So it's a pair of shoes, and I really loved the style of these shoes ever since they were released, but I honestly didn't really like the colors available back then, so I've got some additional shoelaces. These ones are in like this khaki color, which is so weird, and you'll understand why. But I have this, then 2 dust bags, and let's see. So guys, I got myself the, are they called D-Connect? I think so. They're not Walk-in Dior. Walk-in Dior are the oblique ones. Does it say here? Yeah. These ones are called D-Connect. God, this paper is so loud. So this is what they look like. They are in this beautiful like navy color, like very dark blue color, which is so pretty. I think they're gonna look so good with both black and blue jeans. I love wearing jeans, so I think these shoes are just perfect. What else? What else? Oh, I bought this before I got the bag, but I wanted my shoes to match the bag, and I think they will look really beautiful together with the book tote. What do you think, guys? Because they're both blue, and I don't know, I just really love the combo. And also, if you remember, guys, I recently purchased a hat from Dior, the one that has oblique on one side and then it's just plain blue on the other side. So what do you think? That's the reason I bought the sneakers, so they could go really well with my new bag. I think they're gonna look so cool during spring and summertime. They're so beautiful. They're also very comfortable. I really wanted to get these shoes. I didn't buy them just because of the bag, no. Again, as I told you before, I didn't like the colors that they were offering, so they had some whites, which, I mean, no, that's a big no for me. Then they also had the like dusty pink color, which is pretty cute. It's really nice, but honestly speaking, I don't really have anything in that color. I don't have any bags in that color. Well, I mean, I do have one from Valentino, but I don't really use it now. So honestly speaking, I didn't know how to style that color because I'm not familiar with it. And I think they also had them in black, but black to me was a little bit basic and boring, and when I saw the blue ones, I just knew I had to buy them. So I got them from Geneva. Also, let me share the prices with you guys. So since I bought this in Courchevel, the prices were in euros, and I got this bag for 2,100 euros. And I bought the shoes in Geneva and they were 950 Swiss francs, but I think in euros they're something like 890 euros. Something like that. Let's move on to the last item. Oh my god, you should see the mess I've created around me because I have all these boxes and dust bags and papers and everything all around me, but let's check out this beauty. So I got myself another handbag, and I'll explain you why. I usually never buy two items, not two items, but I never really buy two bags at once. I never buy two bags at the same time. Like, it just doesn't happen on the same day. Two bags is just a little bit too much for me, but we went to Courchevel specifically for this bag. I saw that they had it on the website, and I begged my husband to take me there. It's about 2.5-hour drive from Geneva, and I literally had to beg him to go there just for the bag because I was obsessed with it. You know, I've been thinking about it for such a long time, but it was nowhere to be found. Also in the vlog, I mentioned that I went to Monaco to exchange my bracelet, but I also wanted to check out Dior because they had this bag online. But when I came into the store, apparently it was already sold. So yeah, bad luck. So can you see? Ta-da! Yes, I got myself, oh my god, it's so pretty. I can't believe it's mine, you guys. It is so beautiful. So I got myself the famous 30 Montaigne in this burgundy, like maroon oblique color, which is so beautiful. Oh my god, it is stunning. But guys, actually I was going to Courchevel to get this bag in blue oblique and the book tote in burgundy oblique. I called them in advance to avoid the same mistake I did with Monaco. I didn't call them, I didn't reserve the bag, and that's why it was gone. So this time I really called them in advance just to make sure they had those two bags. They said, yeah, sure. I reserved this one in blue and then the book tote in burgundy. When I came into the store, he brings out the blue, this one in blue, and another 30 Montaigne in blue color, but you know, the new version, which is a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, and with the chain. He brought it to me and I was like, but I thought the book tote was in burgundy. When I called them, they said it was in burgundy. And he said, well, we never had a burgundy book tote. I showed him on the website and he was like, well, yeah, that's a little bit weird, but we actually only have the blue one. I didn't want to buy two blue oblique bags because it was a little bit stupid. Why would I need two in the same blue oblique color? So then I spotted this one on the shelf. It was the only one in the store and it was just sitting there. So I took a look. I wasn't sure about the burgundy, but then I thought to myself, why not? I wanted to have more fun with colors for my bags because all of them are pretty like basic and neutral, if I may say so myself. But I have a lot of black bags, a lot of like monogram bags, gray bags, blue bags, but nothing in like this color. So I tried it on. I really loved it. The color is so beautiful. I can wear it all year round. I mean, summer, spring, fall, winter, whenever I want to. It will look just absolutely stunning. Let's see. So the strap is hidden inside. It is right here. And this is what the bag looks like inside. It looks quite small, but hopefully I can fit all my essentials inside. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't tried like putting stuff inside. I literally just unboxed it with you guys and I've had it for a week in my room, hiding in the box. There is a pocket right in here. I have the authenticity card. They actually do give you the authenticity card, so I have the number and the date of purchase and the stamp from Dior. I'm gonna keep it inside the bag so I don't lose it. Then there is a zip pocket right in here, and it also has a pocket right in here at the back, which is so convenient. I can easily put my phone in there and just not worry about it. Can you see? It fits perfectly, and I have the largest iPhone. It's the 11 Pro Max. Yeah, what do you think? It is such a beautiful bag. I see a lot of people wear 30 Montaigne in blue oblique, like the one I wanted, but I don't really see a lot of people carrying this like burgundy color for some reason, and I find it a little bit strange because this color is also beautiful. Also, why I've decided to go for both of them. Since I had to beg my husband to go to Courchevel to get the bags, and they had both of the bags I wanted, and I also saved up this money for the bags. So since I had this money to spend on both of the bags, and since they had both of them in stock in there and I could get the tax-free, I talked to my mom. I asked her what she thought and she said, just go for it. I'm like, but it's a little bit too much buying two bags at the same time. But she's like, yeah, I understand it's a little bit too much, but since you traveled all the way there just to find these two bags and you already have the money for them, just go for it. You also get it tax-free, so that's a win-win. You'll just stop obsessing over them and dreaming about them. Well, true, that makes sense. Also, I completely forgot to mention the price of the bag. So this one was 200. I wish it was 200. It was 2,700 euros, so they increased in price by 200. The last time I went on the website, I think it was back in October, and the bag was still 2,500 euros. Now it is 200 more expensive, but my bad. So you see guys, whenever you like something, it's just better to jump on it right away because the prices will just keep increasing. So yeah. Also, this bag gives me this Parisian vibe. It is so Parisian, like the style, the color, everything about this bag. It is so beautiful with the gold hardware. I think it's just stunning. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.